Hey there, space explorers. Welcome back to KM's Celestial Journey. I'm so thrilled you're joining me today as we embark on a breathtaking visual voyage through our solar system. Get ready to witness cosmic wonders, images so stunning they actually shocked astronomers. Before modern telescopes, humans could only dream of what the surfaces of the sun and planets looked like. But thanks to incredible advancements in technology, we've gotten up close and personal, capturing mind-blowing images that will redefine how you see our celestial neighborhood. So buckle up, because this is the solar system as you've never seen it before. Let's start with the star of our show, the sun. Burning with the energy of 1 trillion nuclear bombs per second, the sun is the largest body in our solar system, holding a staggering 99.86% of its total mass. Just imagine that power. One of the most dramatic images ever captured of the sun was taken by the Solar Dynamics Observatory on August 31, 2012. A colossal filament of solar material, which had been hovering in the sun's atmosphere, erupted into outer space. It was a beautiful, yet terrifying coronal mass ejection, CME, traveling at over 900 miles per second. Can you even fathom that speed? Next stop, Mercury, the planet closest to the sun, orbiting at an average distance of 36 million miles. This tiny world has been the subject of intense study, and NASA's Messenger spacecraft gave us the most detailed look yet. The images it beamed back revealed a surface covered in craters of all sizes, a testament to the constant bombardment it endures. We saw massive asteroid impact sites like the Van Eyck crater, a whopping 168 miles in diameter, and the Caloris Basin, an even more enormous 960 miles in diameter, with mountains towering 1.2 miles high at its outer rim. These images, with spectral surface measurements, were taken on April 29, 2015. Messenger snapped over 200,000 images of Mercury before its mission ended in 2015, with an intentional crash into the planet's surface. A dramatic end, wouldn't you say? But it was necessary, as Messenger had been orbiting Mercury since March 2011 and had simply run out of fuel. Right before impact, it sent back one last image, the highest resolution photo of Mercury ever captured. Now here's a surprising fact. Mercury isn't the hottest planet, even though it's closest to the sun. That title belongs to our next destination, Venus. The second planet from the sun and Earth's closest neighbor, Venus has a thick, incredibly dense atmosphere made up mostly of carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen gas. This creates a runaway greenhouse effect, trapping the sun's heat and turning Venus into a hellish world. The Soviet Union's Venera 13 probe was a pioneer in Venus exploration. It was the first lander to transmit color images from the surface. Venus is a scorching world with surface temperatures reaching a blistering 880 degrees Fahrenheit. The probe was designed to last only 30 minutes, but it defied expectations and continued to transmit data and images for over 2 hours after landing on March 1, 1982. Talk about built to last. Later, NASA's Magellan spacecraft was sent to Venus in 1990 to image and map the entire surface. It sent back images revealing evidence of volcanism, tectonic plate movement, turbulent surface winds, and miles of lava channels, including one measuring an astounding 5,550 miles long. Magellan also captured an incredible image of the volcano Mont Mons, which rises 3 miles high. After completing its mapping mission, Magellan 2 met its end, crashing into the fiery planet. And now the third rock from the sun, our home, Earth. This unique planet is the only place we know of that harbors life. We've captured countless amazing images of Earth, but modern satellite photos are truly breathtaking. Take this image from NASA, showing Earth as it looks right now. This stunning true-color image was taken by NASA's moderate-resolution imaging spectroradiometer from 22,000 miles above Earth and shows North and South America in all their glory, with the moon even making a cameo appearance in the background. And on December 14, 2020, NASA captured a total solar eclipse with GOES-16. Absolutely amazing. But here's something you might not have seen. In March 2011, a Russian satellite named Electro-L captured incredibly detailed images of Earth that some claimed rivaled NASA's. Some even suggested they were more accurate and showed different things. NASA, however, disputed these claims. Which images do you think are the best? Let me know in the comments. Oh, and remember Messenger. Before its fateful crash, it snapped a photo of Earth and the Moon and sent it back as a postcard. How cool is that? Next, we journey to Mars, the red planet. Humans have always been fascinated by Mars, and it has been studied extensively. Viking Orbiter 1 took stunning snapshots of Mars in 1979, like this photo of Valles Marineris. And Viking 2 snapped an image showing the southern polar plains and polar ice cap. In 2013, the European Space Agency's Mars Express took highly detailed images of Hebes Chasma, the northernmost part of Valles Marineris. But the real stars of Martian photography are the rovers. The images from the Mars Curiosity rover, including its selfies, are some of the most incredible images ever sent back from the surface of an alien world. This is a 1.8 billion pixel panoramic view made up of over 200 images, showing Mars as seen by Curiosity, which is still operational. Now prepare to be amazed by Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. This gas giant is a true spectacle. With its iconic Great Red Spot, a storm that has been raging for 350 years and is so large it could swallow Earth whole. On July 10, 2017, the Juno spacecraft flew just 5,600 miles above the Great Red Spot and captured the closest image of this massive storm ever taken. This image, taken from a bit further away, is a little truer in color to what we would see if we were orbiting Jupiter. But Juno also captured unbelievable images of Jupiter's polar regions, which are invisible from Earth. What surprised astronomers was that Jupiter's North Pole has 8 storms swirling at its center, arranged in a precise geometric pattern. These storms appear to be stable fixtures in Jupiter's atmosphere, not just normal weather. But the incredible images didn't stop there. On November 13, 2018, a new image from Juno, created using data from the JunoCam imager, was nothing short of breathtaking. And on June 27, 2019, the Hubble telescope captured the planet's trademark Great Red Spot, which researchers say is shrinking. We've got an awesome video coming up on Jupiter, so make sure you don't miss it. Next, we arrive at Saturn, often considered the most beautiful celestial body in our solar system. Its iconic rings are a sight to behold, and the best images of Saturn to date come from the Cassini-Huygens spacecraft. On October 21, 2002, the spacecraft was 177 million miles away from Saturn when it snapped this photo. And on March 27, 2004, as it got closer, it took this natural color image as it neared its arrival into Saturn's orbit. Now, here's a mind-blowing image of Saturn you may never have seen before. This is Saturn backlit by the sun. With this added light, Cassini was able to image the ring system in a way not possible from Earth, and the result is simply stunning. But in 2004, the Hubble telescope also joined the party and snapped an amazing photo of an aurora on Saturn. In 2016, the Cassini spacecraft sent back images of Saturn's northern hemisphere, revealing a hexagonal vortex storm. Scientists have studied this phenomenon, but no one is quite sure how it forms. On September 15, 2017, the Cassini spacecraft made its final approach towards the gas giant, and before sending this final image, it burned up in Saturn's atmosphere like a meteor.